Founded as OPTEL Vision in 1989, OPTEL initially used its expertise in optics, electronics, and computing to design custom manufacturing solutions. A decade later, the company began developing advanced inspection systems to verify the quality of pharmaceutical products and packaging. Foreseeing the global threat of counterfeit medications, OPTEL helped the pharma industry comply with serialization regulations through innovative traceability solutions. Today, OPTEL is the only company with the ability to offer true end-to-end traceability, providing granular data at every step of the supply chain. From raw materials to the consumer and beyond. Through serialization and digitization, OPTEL connects all the players in the supply chain and provides unparalleled visibility, giving any company anywhere the tools to make real-time decisions based on reliable, actionable data. OPTEL's goal is to build a sustainable world through the intelligent supply chain, harnessing the power of traceability to detect counterfeit products, trace product origin, ensure fair trade and sustainable sourcing, optimize efficiency, reduce waste, increase customer engagement, and much more. As the key to lifecycle analysis, OPTEL's true end-to-end traceability goes beyond blockchain and beyond the transaction. It digitizes the entire supply chain, providing critical data at every step, making everyone's business run better. Now, imagine what the intelligent supply chain can do for you.